welcome back to BKM Tech and Gadgets. I hope everybody's okay. My name is Kevin and my YouTube channel is all about things tech and gadgets. So I hope everybody's all good. So if you're new to my channel and the first time here, if you could subscribe and like and comment on my videos, that would be much appreciated. Okay, so the next video that's coming up is a review on a desktop table fan which I came across in Costco, the warehouse, just shopping and doing my general shop. So by the way, this review about this fan is not sponsored in any way by Costco, so I'm not getting any money or anything like that at all. So this is an amazing fan which looks good and is a powerful fan for the price and the features it has. So the fan is a WooZoo fan. So I'm going to go through and do the review on this fan now. So what we're going to do now, we're going to roll the intro and let's get straight into the review. Right, so welcome. So this is the WooZoo fan by Ohyamha. Okay, it's a Japanese fan. Okay, so this is it here. So as you can see, it's very portable, very stylish as well. So it's a small portable fan in size and it's very stylish and it looks really good. Comes with a remote control. Okay, so this is the remote control that it comes with as well. So that's a nice remote control that it comes with the fan. So the controls are on the unit as well here, as you can see. Let me just lift that up. So they're on the unit there as well. So you've got your power, your speeds and everything on there as well, all on the unit as well. So the features of the fan, so it's got 5 speeds. So I'll just turn it on now with the power. So that's the fan on the first speed there. Okay, so as you can see, it's just oscillating right and left. Okay, so it also has a 1, 2 and 4 hour timer and then switches off as well. So it's got 5 speeds like I said. So I'll put it on number 2, doing this with the remote. Okay, so it's still quiet. That's number 3. Number 4. And that's number 5. So it's still quite loud. Don't know if you can hear me. So let's turn that back down. So I'll put it back down to number 1. Get that oscillate for a bit. So it also has a natural breeze function. Okay, so what that is, it's a button on the front of the unit. Here it is on the remote. So that button there, natural breeze. So what that does is, it's a function which is very silent and gives a gentle breeze at night. So it does speed up and slow down as well. Okay, so it's a really good option there on the fan. I'll just show you that now. So I'll just turn it on and then put it into natural breeze. So you probably can't hear it, but it does speed up and slow down. But you can hear it speed up there. But it just gives a natural breeze, so it keeps you cool at night, so in the bedroom. There. Like I said, it's a multi-directional oscillation. So, you know, I'll just turn it on and then I'll do the oscillation. So turn it off on there. Just pump the volume up a bit. Put that on 3. And that's the oscillation. So it does go up and down as well. So this fan can be used in the bedroom at night, on a hot summer night, which will be coming up soon. Just turn it down onto the 2nd speed, and this will keep you cool all night. So there it is, going up and down. So this fan, which I said I stumbled across in Costco, I believe it's £47. So it's a really good, stylish portable fan. Not just to put in the bedroom, you can put it anywhere in the house. But like I said, I think it's really stylish. Like it's pushing the air up in the air there. And then you can rotate it. Or you can just have it going side to side as well. Just like that, or well, up and down. Or you can just have it going side to side like that. So depending how you want to get the cool air in your house. So I hope you liked the video. So like I said, this is the WooZoo Fan by Ohyamha. So it's from Costco. I'll leave the link below, in the link for Costco. And like I said, it's a really good, affordable fan because we've got these hot summer nights coming up. So if you could comment, subscribe and like on my channel. So this was just a quick video regarding this portable fan. That would be much appreciated. So I hope to see you soon on my channel. Thanks for watching.